Alright, next up we're going to try another hockey break. Certified limited hockey break for John. What's going on, John? Here's what I was telling you, man. Earlier I got my manufacturer case from my manufacturer, the 15 boxer, but my direct comes FedEx, which is came in later today. And I just told you since you wanted 3, I'd go ahead and open up this one too. And we'll just pull the top 3. If I can get in it. There we go. So here we go, man. Box 1. 2010 limited hockey. We have Milan Lucic, Colton Orr, $2.99. $2.99. Ken Liesman, Legend, $2.99. Tony Esposito, Back to the Future, $1.99. Number to 99, Jeff Carter Jumbo Jersey. Number 21 of 99. Alice Hempsky, Material Monikers, Jersey Autograph. That's numbered 1 of 10. There you go. And Phenoms of Robin Lehner. Phenoms patch auto. That's numbered to 299. Okay. Let's try round 2. Oh, back card. We have Mika Kiprusoff, $2.99. Nathan Horton, $2.99. Guy Lafleur, $2.99. Doug Gilmour, $2.99. Thomas Vacuum, Jersey, $1.99. Phenoms Lightning, Dustin Tokarski. I think DC earlier told me that guy was on the hot list. Dustin Tokarski. I could be wrong though. Number to 299. And Tyler Bozak, Material Monikers Jersey Autograph, and that's numbered to 25 on that one. 25. Alright. Alright, John, last one. 10 limited. This one only has 2 seconds. Must have a thin autograph in this or a Redemptiones. Alexander Frolov and Mike Green, $2.99. $2.99. Joe Nieuwendyk, Legend, $2.99. Dennis Mark, $1.99. Oh, I didn't even notice the back of these have another card. I was seeing it myself. That didn't look like him. That's Alexander Ovechkin. Maybe that's why it's called Back to the Future. Anze Kopitar. Yep, there's a redemption. Jersey to $1.99. Oh, a thin autograph. Brad Park on card. Select signatures. Brad Park. And this number to 99. And then Phenom Silver Spotlight, $191. Which is going to be Kobe Bryant. Henrik Karlsson. And there you have it, man. John, I appreciate it, buddy. I'll get these sorted. Like I say, it's like right 5:30 right now, so I'm going to stay here tonight and sort all these, but I'll drop them off first thing tomorrow for you. See you, man. Bye.